If you're like most people, you probably don't give your Wi-Fi connection much thought. It's there when you need it, and that's that. Unfortunately, failing to properly secure your Wi-Fi can open the door to problems you definitely don't want to have to deal with. In this video, we'll outline 3 reasons to secure your Wi-Fi connection, coming up next. Securing your Wi-Fi connection is one of those little details that can seem trivial. But if you don't secure your Wi-Fi, you could be hurting yourself in ways you had never even considered. Here are 3 reasons you should secure your Wi-Fi connection immediately. Number 1, keep internal data secure. Now, whether we're talking about your home or your business networks, the truth is that you have plenty of sensitive data that should be kept from prying eyes. Without a secure Wi-Fi network, criminals can steal important information like your passwords and account numbers without even being in your building. The first step to protecting your data is to secure your Wi-Fi connection. Number 2, bandwidth issues. Bandwidth determines the speed of your connection. You've only got so much of it, and if your Wi-Fi connection is open to the world, you may wind up with less than you need, as neighbors and random passers-by take advantage of your free connection and use up your available bandwidth. Then, when you need it, you're competing with freeloaders on an internet connection much slower than you pay for. Number 3, hackers. It's not just freeloaders you have to worry about. Hackers prefer soft targets to well-fortified ones, and nothing screams soft target louder than a wide-open Wi-Fi connection. An unsecured network is like hanging a virtual neon sign over your network and just begging for it to be broken into. Once on your network, hackers may use your network for illegal activities, putting you or your business at risk. Don't wait until you're a victim of freeloaders and hackers. Take steps today to secure your home and business Wi-Fi connection. To find out more about how to secure your networks, give our team a call.